Hey everyone, thanks for joining me for this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you another way to add captions to your pictures. But first, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you never miss a new video. Today I'll be teaching you how to create transparent image text. I deleted quite a few classes, so I'll just go through all of them to show you which ones I still have. I deleted them because I deleted the hover effects and any other caption related classes that I had from before, just so they didn't get mixed up with these classes. The first thing you're going to do is add the container class. The position relative just makes the caption appear on top of the image, and margin 0 auto just centers the text. After that, we're going to add the container content class and add the following pieces of code to it. Again, the position absolute is for positioning the text on top of the box. Bottom 0 makes the text box appear against the bottom of the image instead of anywhere else. We have two background colors here just in case this one doesn't work on a computer, and then it will default and go to this background color. The width is 320 pixels because that's how large the image is, and the height is 20% because that's how large the caption box will be compared to the image. Now I'm going to go to the HTML file and just show you some div classes that I added there. So I took out the classes that were related to the hover effects, such as the overlay class, and I also took out the image link. I also replaced the caption div class with content. I also made this into a paragraph so it's more suited to this caption type, and included the end tag for this div on the bottom. You can just copy this format for all the other images that you have, and I'll just show you what this looks like in the browser. So the images show up like this with this kind of caption, and it looks pretty cool. That's all for today. In the next tutorial, I'll show you how to create some image effects. Let me know what other things you'd like to learn how to create on a website in the comments below, and I'll include those ideas in an upcoming tutorial. Thanks for joining me for this tutorial, and check out the next tutorial to learn more.